Okay, welcome to another video in our advanced tips and tricks section. So what we're going to do here is we're going to allow you to, for some people you run into the problem where you are unable to upload our template to your church's website for various reasons. Either you don't have access to do that, you don't have somebody on your staff that can do that for you, maybe your church uses a web-based management software that doesn't allow you to upload an external website. Whatever the reason, if you just want to get your website online and you have no other way, I'm going to show you how to go and register for a free website hosting account through a company called Alta Vista, and then go ahead and upload the website so you have it up and running. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the internet and going to go to Google here, and we're going to type in ALTER Vista, Alta Vista, hit search. Actually, it already pulls up, and then you're going to click the link here, and you're going to see their website. And so for this example, the way it works is they allow you to have what's called a subdomain. A subdomain is what we're going to be using here. So on this example, I'm going to just use the subdomain www.mychurchvbs.altavista.org. So that's going to be the actual website address for your VBS website. Okay, so we're going to click sign up there, and you can connect it with your Facebook. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go through a simple registration process here. Put in just some basic information, what country you're from. If you don't know, if you see a drop-down menu and there's a ton of choices, start typing the first letter of your whatever you're selecting. So there I was typing U, and I kept typing it until I got to United States. So just a trick that works on every single drop-down box in the entire world. All right, state, and then zip code. Oops. And I'm going to put in an email address I don't use a lot. Okay, and here we go, A54CN. Whoops. So again, you're just going to go through that. Obviously, put your information in, sign up. You have two options here you need to check off. You will have to check off the terms and service and privacy agreement, but I don't believe you have to accept the treatment for commercial and other purposes. So that's probably if they were just going to sell your information to somebody else. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign up. All right, so they sent you a email, so I'm going to go ahead and log into that email account. And what you should see is an email that you have to activate that. So you click this link here, you click that, and that activates the account. It takes a minute to get that done. Also in your email, very important to keep, because it has your username and your password here. So that's very important. You want to make sure you keep that information handy. Okay, we're going to use it just here in a minute. You can go ahead and hit continue here, and you're going to see this page here. Now again, I'm recording this in May of 2015. Companies typically change their websites, but you should be able to kind of figure out where to go. Essentially what we want to do is we want to go to File Management, and we want to find out the FTP settings for this website. Okay, the FTP means File Transfer Protocol. It's just a fancy way to let us know how we need to upload the website to there. So here is some very, very important information that we're going to need. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into our website, the one that you've already customized and everything. And right up here, you're going to click on Site, and you're going to select Publishing Settings. Okay. From there, you're going to see what it says Site Settings. We're going to click Add. So we want to add a website here. Now, for me, I would give this a name. This is just a name to let you know where you're publishing it to. So I would put like to Alta Vista or something like that. Now, the location, I'm going to flip back to the other screen here. This is what it says host here. That's what goes there. So I'm going to copy that, paste that right in there. Okay. The username is what you get out of your email. Okay, so let's go back to the email. So the username is my church VBS, copy. And the password is also in your email. So again, I would just copy and paste this. All right, then you're going to select add. All right, and then you can click OK. All you have to do from there is you should have an icon here. It says publish all changed files in your site. Hit publish. And you should get a little dialog box here in a second. There it goes. So right now it's listing all the files on our site and it's comparing it to theirs. And it's going to ask you, some of the files have changed on the published destination. That's where we're sending the information to, and will be overwritten. So we want to click overwrite remote files. Very important. Okay, click overwrite remote files. And it's now beginning to upload your website to that web address. So it's going to take just a few minutes to get that done. A lot of this is going to depend on the speed of your internet too. If you have a really fast internet, this will take just a few minutes. If you have a slow internet, this might take a little bit longer, but it shouldn't take too terribly long. Okay, so we're resuming the video and we are about 25 files to go. You can see here before it is all completely updated to the new website. So depending on the speed of your internet is going to be, depending on how long this takes, it could be as little as just a few minutes, as much as 15-20 minutes. Again, a lot of it really depends on your internet speed and how fast you can upload the files. Okay, so again, we're almost done. All right. Okay, so the entire website has been published now, and it'll automatically go back to this screen. So you can see here, if I click on publishing down here, it says last published status successful, last published, and it gives me the date and time. This shows me what the files that are on my computer here and the files that are actually on the website are over here. Okay, so just so you kind of know what you're looking at there. So let's see if the actual website actually works. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go type in the web address I saved. So mychurchvbs.altervista.org. So depending on what web address that you selected for yours, whatever you picked, so you can put in, you know, the name of your church, VBS, you know, whatever it is you put in there, that is going to be the web address. This is the link that you can share on Facebook, on your own church's website, anywhere you want. You can use that link and have it go directly to your VBS website. Okay, again, all the student registration, all that information. So this is a temporary one that I built, but all of that information will work now. All you have to do is have them fill that information out, hit send. It'll still go to your same email address. Nothing's changed. It's just simply this is where your website is going to be hosted now. Okay, so that is essentially how this whole process works. Again, you can see the website works, functions properly, just exactly the way it's supposed to. And that's it. So if you have any questions or anything, feel free to email me at freevbstemplates@gmail.com. Again, freevbstemplates@gmail.com. So again, all you have to do is just put in that web address up there. Actually, you don't even need the end here. Just put that in, and that is what you're going to be your website. I guess, again, obviously the beginning of this for you is going to be different. This is the one that I set up, but whatever you pick, that's going to be your web address. Again, you can put that on any social media, You can create links for it anywhere on anything, and it'll take them right directly to this site. So that's it. Hopefully that was pretty simple. Again, email us if you have any questions.